morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. This is arrangement class.
Yes, beta, this is arrangement. Otherwise, which class was it supposed to be?
Ma'am, 4A.
Oh, I'm asking.
Ma'am, it means that 4th A will do written test and 4th C will do oral test.
No, 4th C will not do oral test. 4th C will do practice diagrams.
And what?
Ma'am, which
Wait,
type?
just wait. Now, everybody wait. 4th C, stop speaking now. Listen to me. 4th A. Yesterday, I had given you a few questions from 1 to 15. You all have completed that work? Only 4th A. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Now, I'm going to give you the work after it. There are total 30 puzzles in it. What you have to do, I'll be sharing screen with you, and I'm also sending for 4th grade to work in class. You will do the work ahead from number 15. And what 4th C has to do, 4th C, please take out a
Morning,
rough page. Take out a rough page, 4th C. And you have to draw a well-labeled colored diagram of water cycle. It should be very nicely labeled, very nicely drawn. 4th A, your work comes here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what
I
we
come in.
have to do?
Okay, Daksh, beta, it's okay if you don't have any colors or something, it's fine. Just draw the diagram and label it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, which diagrams we have to draw?
The diagram of water cycle, it has to be drawn only by 4th C. 4th A
Okay,
will
ma'am.
do this written work.
Ma'am, we have to draw in our SST copy.
Either you can draw in your SST copy or just you can take a rough page and practice on that.
Ma'am, do we have to draw other, can we draw other diagram also?
Which other diagram? Which other diagram?
Ma'am, I am just asking, do we have to draw other diagram also or this only?
Right now, I have just told you to draw water cycle. Please draw water cycle.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we take the help of a book?
Yes, bit of course. You can see from the book and draw.
Ma'am, please tell which diagrams are coming in SST.
All the diagrams given in the chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
In all these 4 chapters, whichever diagram is there, you have to practice all of them. Any 2 diagrams will come.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, our exams are getting offline or online? Please tell.
Bit of for now, it is decided to have, I think, what message have you got of offline or online? Tell me.
What, ma'am?
What message have you got from the school? There was a message, I think. Was it offline or online?
Till now on offline.
Yes,
message.
till now it has
No
been
message.
decided that your exams will be offline.
Ma'am, please say
Huh? I have sent it to class 4th A on WhatsApp. Now, children, please stop speaking. You people speak a lot.
Now what are we doing? I was doing just now.
Ashray, beta, you have to draw a well labeled and colored diagram of water cycle.
Ma'am, I am not Ashray.
Whosoever it is, class 4th C has to draw the diagram of water cycle. Class 4th A will do this worksheet on the screen.
Ma'am,
What, Gauri?
what is written after I am made up of?
I am made up of alloy and nickel.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, still I'm not able to find the answer of the second answering question.
What, beta?
Of the second answering passage that about this about from this and that one, so I'm still not able to find the answer of the second question.
1 mile. See, it is written in first paragraph. The school is a mile away. So that means how far it is? Just a mile away.
Ma'am, please for the 17th one. Ma'am.
Ma'am, please see, I have sent the message in the what box. Please check.
What you have done, Jasrina?
Ma'am, I have sent on the group. I've sent the message on the chat box. Please see.
Okay.
Ma'am, please.
Beta, your exams will be offline.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but I have choose online.
And our classes will be also.
Yes, now in a very less time, your schools will start as regular. Like on regular basis, your offline schools will be started.
And our classes are also be open.
Ma'am, from when?
Beta, the date is not decided, but very soon. All the schools have opened. Only ours is left. So be prepared to come to school.
Ma'am, by my house there's a Bishop Corner school and it's open. Everyone
Yes,
go
all
there.
schools have started now. They're off in offline mode.
And
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
I will see my
I
class
was
first time.
wanting-
And ma'am, when the school
I
will
was
get open,
wanting-
ma'am, when the school will
My
get
name
open,
is
so I will see my class
I am
first time.
Okay.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am. Please send the date sheet on the group.
Okay, beta, I'll send.
Ma'am, yes, and I have.
Okay, you send it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can't find the 18th one. Ma'am, what is written after?
Beta, leave whatever you can't find, just leave it. We are going to discuss the answers later.
Ma'am, what is written after outermost layer of?
Which sentence? I am the outermost layer. I am the outermost layer of the earth. Which is the outermost layer? Mute yourself, all of you.
रुक जाओ.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we color it?
What?
Ma'am, can we color a diagram?
Beta, is it a question to ask? I initially said you have to color it, label it.
Ma'am, because I have drawn and labeled.
Yes, beta, it is compulsory. It is mandatory to color it.
मीटिंग खत्म हो गई हैं? तुझसे मैंने कही पहले आंसर्स पूछ ले मैम से। ये पूछो, a large body of water formed by the inlet of land.
Ma'am, what is the answer of this? A large body of water formed by an inlet of land.
A large body of water formed by
Ma'am,
inlet of land.
Agarwal is in 4C. Master Agarwal is in 4C.
Shobit,
He
what
is
are
doing
you
the test,
saying?
ma'am.
Shobit, do your work. Concentrate on your work. I will handle what students are saying. Better just look into the chapter water bodies and see what is formed by an inlet of land. Which water body is it?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is it bay? Ma'am, is it bay?
Yes, beta, very good. It's bay. And who is scribbling on the screen?
Ma'am, Yuvraj.
Yuvraj, you want to be removed from the class, beta?
Ma'am, can you please? I also can't understand this question. The land of the earth is divided into 7 large masses. I can't understand it is true or false.
You know, it's not true or false. See, which number is it?
Ma'am, question number 29.
29. The land of the earth divided into 7 large masses. What is it called? What is it called?
Ma'am, continents.
Yes, very good. It's not.
Continent.
You have to just name them. Guess the word.
Ma'am, please zoom in.
And ma'am, in question number
Ma'am,
23.
please scroll up. Ma'am,
The
please
question
scroll
is
up.
the layer where humans live is called crust, or we will write lithosphere.
Which one? Tell me the number.
And question number 23.
Ma'am, please show
23.
the 22.
Beta, see, I have sent it on the class group. Those who are not on this screen, see from the class group. Now don't tell me to change the screen. The layer where humans live is. Yes, you have to tell which layer of lithosphere it is.
Ma'am, so we will write crust or lithosphere.
No, you have to tell the layer of lithosphere. Which layer do we live on? If it would have asked you which domain do human beings live on, then you would have written lithosphere. Now they are asking you the layer of lithosphere where humans live. So what is that layer?
Ma'am, crust.
Yes, very good.
And ma'am, what I am, ma'am, in question number 22, I am the outermost layer of the earth, so the answer will be atmosphere.
What 22? Wait, let me see. I am the outermost layer of the earth.
Can I tell?
No.
Ma'am,
it
can
is-
I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, this crust.
Crust. Again, it is the crust. It is the outermost layer of the earth.
Ma'am, someone is scribbling on the board.
Beta, please stop behaving like class 1, class 2 children. Stop scribbling.
Excuse me, ma'am. After surrounding,
What?
ma'am, what is written after surrounding?
What is the?
What is written after surrounding?
Beta, in which sentence? Tell me the number at least.
Ma'am, in 21.
Let me see.
Ma'am, 24. Sorry, 24.
I am the blanket of air surrounding the earth.
Okay, ma'am.
We have studied in the third class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please see. Ma'am, I have done it.
Very nice, Beta. Very good, Vamika.
Ma'am, I have drawn it. Now I am coloring.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I send a group?
Ma'am, my half is drawn.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I
Please
send on
remain.
group?
Yes. All those who have made the pictures can send on class group.
I am just ending. Ma'am, I'm just drawing the picture. Now coloring. Sorry, ma'am, coloring. I'm coloring the picture.
Ma'am, I have sent Vamika. Ma'am, we have to draw only one diagram.
Yes, Beta. You just have to draw one diagram.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
have drawn water cycle. I will just color now.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Kamika, beta, in your diagram, you have just missed one very important word, which is precipitation. Water cycle is a process of the water cycle is consists of these three processes. So in your diagram, all three words are very important. I think Vamika,
Okay, ma'am, I'm writing.
yes, beta, write it.
Ma'am, above the mountains.
No, beta, on the clouds. Because when clouds become too heavy, it starts to rain. That is precipitation.
Okay, ma'am. I'm in third class. I think precipitation. No, one minute. Ma'am, I think in the third class, ma'am, precipitation, ma'am, is called something else. In the
What?
third class.
In third class, what was it called? Tell me.
Ma'am, I forgot.
Ma'am, you know I'm in Jalandhar, Punjab.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am.
See, it's so nice not to have online classes. You at least don't miss your schools. From anywhere you join your school at least.
Ma'am, I have drawn my diagram. Please see it. I have drawn my diagram, but not color it. Ma'am,
Very good, beta. Send it on the class group. Color it and send it.
ma'am, what is barren land?
Beta, barren land is the land which is not fertile, on which crops or vegetation cannot take place. Any kind of vegetation cannot take place. That is barren land.
Ma'am, what can be 26th one?
I am a large area of barren lands. So, what kind of a landform I'm talking about here? If it's a barren land,
And those who have not completed, they are completing now.
beta fourth A in class 4th A, it was not shared only earlier.
No,
Today
ma'am,
we were
I was
supposed to do this.
fourth in doing, but those who have not completed, they are also doing. They are not doing
Yes,
that.
in class 4th C, if anyone is left to complete it, can do it now.
Ma'am, mine is completed, so I'm going to that.
Ma'am, I've done and sent on the WhatsApp group, Kanav Mithil.
Ma'am, I have done Shobhita, drawing a diagram. And I labeled it also, colored also.
Ma'am, 26 can be soil.
Beta, I'm talking about a land, a large area of land. Why soil? Akshar, don't you think it is going to be desert? It should be a desert, large area of barren land where no vegetation takes place. Yes?
Yes. Ma'am, we will discuss the answer tomorrow.
Okay, yes, I forgot that with 4th C also I have to discuss the answers. But better tomorrow you will not have your SST class because I'll be in school on Friday and Saturday. Both the days I'll be in school. So now we'll have our class on Monday.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, on Saturday there are our tests.
Which test?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
half
tomorrow. Yes, ma'am. In Saturday we have reasoning test.
GK, ma'am of GK.
On Saturday.
yes, ma'am.
Children, listen, what do you mean by respectively? What is the meaning of respectively? Everybody just tell me.
Sammanit.
Not respected, beta, respectively. Respectively. See, in your timetable, all of you please check that there is a line given. I'll tell you what line it is. In your half yearly's date sheet. Now listen to me carefully. Reasoning and GK exam will be conducted on 9th and 11th respectively during online classes. Okay, let's just remove this online classes. Reasoning and GK. What is the order? First they have written reasoning, then it is written GK. Will be held on what dates? 9th and 11th. Which date is written first? 9th. And which paper was written first? Reasoning.
Reasoning.
So that means reasoning is on 9th and GK is on 11th. Don't get confused.
Ma'am, but ma'am, fourth is saying that we have GK test on
No,
fourth.
it is not GK.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please tell the timings of our exams.
Your
Ma'am, GK
exam
and reasoning.
timings are.
Ma'am, tomorrow we will not be having any class.
No, beta, you will be having all your classes. Who said so? I said I will be going.
Ma'am,
to
please tell
school.
the timings.
I'll be
Ma'am,
going
but
to-
first thing is on GK.
Excuse me, ma'am, please tell the timings of our exams.
Your exam timing will be from
It is
8
written
to
in
11:15 in the morning. 8 to 11:15. You have to report to school by 7:45.
Ma'am, it is written in date sheet only.
Ma'am, I didn't understand about school that 7 o'clock we have to report.
No, beta, not 7 o'clock. 7:45.
Ma'am, it's online or offline GK or reasoning exams?
That means the
Beta, just tell me one thing. Have you not gone through your date sheets, children? Everything is so clearly mentioned in the date sheet.
it is on.
See, listen to me. Reporting time will be 7:45 a.m. Exam will be held from 8 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. including reading time of 15 minutes. You have to read the question paper in those 15 minutes only. All students will come in a proper school uniform. Wearing a face mask will be compulsory. Carry your own water bottle, stationery items, and a small bottle of hand sanitizer. These are all instructions given in your date sheet.
Ma'am, but
ma'am.
Akshat, say what you're saying.
Ma'am, but I have choose online exam. There's a link we can choose offline or online.
Okay, fine. Yes, Varshita, say. Who is saying, excuse me, is it Akshada or Varshita?
Ma'am, that
Say, the class will get over.